What's up, guys? Welcome to another Disrespectful Thursday. Today we're working some more on our 300 inline 6 Ford motor. We're going to be working on a few things like lifters, push rods, and rocker arms, doing our valve adjustments, and then we're going to work on adding some other stuff back onto the engine. Now, behind the scenes, we got the timing pulley installed in the water pump and the thermostat housing. I forgot to put the thermostat in, but it's okay because we got a new one anyway.
So our buddy Will over here is going to be doing the front grille and stuff for the truck, because when they took the motor out, the head was already off of it and it barely fit under the firewall coming out. So we don't want to take the head back off, so we're just going to take the front clip off of the truck so we can slide it straight back into position. So yeah, let's get to it. Thanks for watching again. This is Disrespectful Thursdays with Disrespectful Builds. And we got our oil pump, pickup tube, the lifters, push rods, rocker arms, that's the word I'm looking for. We got all these done. And then next week, we're hopefully going to have this back in the truck. Whether it'll be running or not, we don't know. But you'll have to subscribe and watch and see. So leave us a like, leave a comment, click the bell, become part of the notification gang, and we will see you guys next Thursday.